So in this video where we are going to solve a problem related to WSL. So the problem is when we try to access the WSL install command and update command, we generally get the error class not registered, and the error code is this one. So this generally happen when we reinstall the window, or any updation in the version happen for the Windows, right? Actually, there may be some other scenarios as well, but this is the case where this issue triggered for me, right? Now, to resolve this problem, you have to just ensure that you have these three things enabled in your Windows. So first is hypervisor, second one is virtualization, and WSL. So how you have to enable it? Just search for turn Windows, Windows features on or off. Just click on it, and here you can find Windows virtual machine platform, Windows hypervisor platform, and Windows subsystem for Linux. These three services should be enabled, and if it is not enabled, just enable it and restart your PC. Make sure uh, after enabling these services, you have to restart your PC, then perform the further steps, right? So actually I have already resolved this problem I was facing earlier. So how I resolve it? I just ensure that these three services enabled for me, and then I go to the repository. I will click on it. I will drop the same link into the description box. You can just copy the link and open this one. So when you click on the link, you will redirect it to this particular page. Here you have to download the version accordingly. If you are a Windows user, you can just Intel Windows, then you can just download this one. I already did the same. I just download it and install it. So you have to just go to this page, download it and install it. After that, you have to just restart your PC, and done. Everything is done. Everything is resolved. So when I also like followed the same steps. So when I restarted my PC and access the WSL, I was getting Windows subsystem for Linux has no install distribution. So what I did further, I just go to the Microsoft Store and download a Linux distribution. I search for Ubuntu. I download the latest one, 24.04, and after downloading it, I just install it. How I install it? Just search it, Ubuntu, and open it. When I click on the open, I redirect it to this terminal. This one is installing. After the installing steps, it asked me for setting up the username and password. So I successfully created a new user with the new password, and the installation has been completed. And then when I access the WSL, it gives me this particular command. So that is all. You have resolved this problem. Also, apart from that, when you try to search for WSL, you will see the WSL setting as well. And here you can just configure your set the configuration accordingly. So that is all. Thank you.